Hi, David here from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Behind me is a 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is a brand new model for 2025. To my right, you can see a power stainless steel anchor. Let's get up on deck and show you the rest of the boat. We moved up on the bow of this beautiful boat. As I mentioned, the stainless steel power anchor windlass is right underneath here. We have ample seating, speakers, there's charge ports in the corners, large storage area down below. This mount right here is for a table that comes up, nice teak table that sits there. As we move aft into the cockpit, there's a bow door that will close to keep the wind from coming through. We have storage on the port side helm. You can see the teak table is stored in there, the anchor light is stored in there. We have a small glove box that locks with a stereo control for your passenger. Of course, the passenger seat has a flip-up bolster. We have a power tower water sports with a bimini top above my head. It's still in factory wrap. I'm going to jump over here on the starboard side of the helm. As I mentioned, a new design for 2025. The covers are in there and there's a lot of storage, but there's a head compartment that opens up for a full-size adult to get in there. The previous models, it was a little bit tight. It's also in the center line of the boat, so you have deep access, not hitting your head. Single SIMRAD, another dashboard, DTS, all of our switching and instrumentation, tilt steering wheel, another flip-up bolster, sea deck under my feet, rear sun pad, a whole bunch more on this particular boat. Come on down to MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Let's go through the rest of it and get you on the water. Thank you.